I'm very happy to announce that I have an article in the new issue of Good Old Boat magazine. It's on newsstands now, and it talks about my beginnings of this wild life that I live, how I got addicted to sailing, and finding Triteia, and everything that went from there. I find the printed word to be extremely sexy. I love it. And it, look at that beautiful picture of Makua. And I'm stoked to have this article in the magazine. So I want to read you a little passage from the article, and then you guys can seek out the full thing. This is talking about being on Selkie in the Orkney Isles of Scotland under the command of Celia Bull. And it says, as we cruised these sparsely populated islands, rich with Viking history, I was amazed at what I saw. From finding myself climbing down into Neolithic tombs on the Holm of Pape, to walking in the fields of North Ronaldsay, watching its famous sheep graze. We sailed into ancient seaport village of Stromness and Pea Soup Fog, transited the Caledonian Canal, past castles on the shores of Loch Ness, and my life was changed forever. And that is very much the truth. I had no idea that you could travel to beautiful remote places by boat and drop your anchor and be surrounded by silence and stunning beauty. Many places where you can only reach by boat. And that change it definitely changed the trajectory of my life and like what I was like thought was important. And I talk about it in this new article. So if you'd like to check that out, pick up a copy, let me know what you think. And thanks to Good Old Boat for publishing it. The first time I published an article in a major magazine, I wrote the cover story for Juxtapost magazine in October of 2010, I think. So this isn't my first big publication, but it's my first article that I've written in a sailing publication. So that's fun for me. And then I have a number of other articles that are kind of slated to come out this year in different magazines. But thanks again to Good Old Boat for putting in my words and my pictures and trying to help inspire people to follow their dreams. And check it out.